Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is my Orion 8-inch 3.9 Newtonian project. Last time we talked about the Beta Steeltrack focuser upgrade and the RB focus adapter that matches the contour of the telescope to the base of the focuser with no light leaks. And the other thing that I got from RB Focus, a lot of people make them, but I got that one. It fit. Let's see if you can see these little metal clips are what hold the rubber clamps on your primary mirror down, and when you remove these and put the aperture mask on, those little protrusions from the rubber over across the mirror cause diffraction spikes, as does the old focuser that had a silver barrel. The Beta Steeltrack is a flat black, so it's not going to give you reflections. So I'm going to show you the inside here, but we'll get to that right now. Okay, coming back. Here's the inside piece of the RB Focus kit. You can see how it matches the contour of the telescope tube perfectly. Also that the barrel is flat black instead of shiny silver. You can see that I still have baffle rings in here. I haven't flocked it yet. That'll be future project. And you might be able to see the aperture ring over the primary mirror, but you'll notice that you don't see the rubber clamps protruding across the mirror surface. The aperture ring is covering those clamps. As you can see, there's no secondary and spider, but you had a very clear view of the work done in here. So probably right around the same time that the spider arrives, beginning of the month, I'm hoping that I'll get an extension. It's back ordered right now, 54 millimeters, because this removable piece here, okay, when that comes out, yeah, this is replaceable with 48 or 54 millimeter threads, but inside the actual tube is a 54 millimeter thread. So it's sunken enough that an adapter piece doesn't have enough length to go in and catch those threads. So I'm going to try using, I think, a 16.5 millimeter 54 millimeter piece to extend out here, and it can replace the 16.5 spacer here, so that should still work. But that way I won't have to get an additional tailpiece for this. I can just thread into it and use this when I want to use eyepieces. Okay, I want to show you the outside now. Come in close, you can see that piece fills that gap, matches the tube contour, works well. On the other end, I want to show you something that I like for the guide scopes. This little ring here says far point. I don't know if it's focusing on that or not, but when you insert the camera into the guide scope, you kind of slide it in and out, more or less rough focus, and then you either use helical focuser on the back or this one here. This piece here turns, and that's your fine focus. But instead of guessing more or less where to put this piece, how much it goes in, that's a consistent stop. And they're intended for eyepieces, so when you're switching magnifications, doing visual, you don't have to refocus each time. You have a focus, you change these rings on your eyepieces, and then it's easier. And I thought, that's pretty brilliant. I like to use it for my guide scope, so a little bonus for you there.